Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's my favorite time of the week. It is Tablescape Tuesdays. Now this video is being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, and that is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see what we did on Tablescape Tuesdays. Now what I did want to announce is that Tablescape Tuesdays is going to be in full swing for 2023 and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so here we are with the Tablescape, and what I'm doing is I absolutely love the color white, and I didn't want to give up the look of the poinsettias because we're still in winter. And so what I'm doing here is cutting the tags off, and that vase that you see on the back of the table is absolutely gorgeous. I DIY'd that vase with items that I purchased from BB Crafts. I'm going to be linking the items for BB Crafts. They have absolutely beautiful items at discounted prices. I'm going to link that below along with the discount code that I have for 10% off anything that you buy from BB Crafts. Now let's continue taking these tags off and make sure we place all these flowers in that vase before we continue setting up the tablescape. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and start putting this tablescape together for you. Now that the bouquet of flowers is already set up, and I said it was a DIY vase, and the flowers did come from Dollar Tree. The tablecloth I did thrift from the Salvation Army, and those placemats are absolutely gorgeous along with those chargers. Those came from Hobby Lobby. Now, as I have you guys all here, I wanted to announce that I'm going to be releasing my calendar of collaborations for the month of January 2023 very shortly in my community tab. So you want to make sure and head on over there. Now those beautiful little bless signs, I got that at Hobby Lobby. And these trendy dishes, believe it or not, I got that from the Dollar Tree. And I didn't get the bowls, but I did get the plate and the salad plate, as you can see here. Now the napkins were a thrifted item, I believe, from the Goodwill. And the ties that I use to tie them with are Dollar Tree items. Now, I absolutely love these mirrored wine glasses, and I got those, I believe, at the Salvation Army. And then the water glasses, those came from the Dollar Tree. Now, all of the candle holders and the candles, they came from the Dollar Tree. And these beautiful salad bowls, I believe I got those at Hobby Lobby. Now, just so you know, the beautiful red and gold ornament wreath, I DIY'd that. And didn't that come out absolutely gorgeous? At least I think so, guys. It came out so, so beautiful. Now, let's take a closer look before I place the utensils. Now, what I also wanted to announce is that for the month of January, Tablescape Tuesdays has 2 guests coming in, and I will give you plenty of notice beforehand. Now, these beautiful, trendy utensils, believe it or not, I purchased at Aldi's, guys. They have them in gold, silver, and in black, and they are gorgeous.